My bangs need a trim. I need my hair cut. COVID-19 problems. Hello all, and welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and I'm drinking another cider. And we're also going to continue on with our minimalistic paintings. Last week we did one that had a white base, and we threw some metallics on there. It was gold, silver, and copper. And I'd like to continue on with that theme of doing some paintings that are a lot less bold and have a lot of colors to them. Just some stuff that is more simplistic but equally as beautiful. So if you would be interested in seeing how another one of those turns out, please stay tuned. So yeah, minimalistic paintings. We're gonna do another one. I painted this one black. We're going to be doing a black base. And I thought about, toyed with the idea. I always toy with ideas. I thought about just throwing some white on this canvas. Just doing like a grayscale, like kind of black and white. But that seemed almost too minimalistic. I don't know. It was very intriguing, but I think what I'm gonna add in addition to this white is some neon pink. And that's it. We're just gonna have the black base, we're gonna have some neon pink, and we're gonna have some white. And so it's gonna kind of be bright and bold, but with only like 3 different colors. So I'm excited to see how that turns out. So let's go ahead and get some paint mixed up and get this ball, I was gonna say party, and it came out blah. Get this party started and the ball a rolling. There's both of them. Here is my white. We've got the bright pink and our black. That's just our base. And I will not be adding any silicone to the base. We're just gonna be putting it into the white and the pink. And then we're gonna lay our base down and get on to the fun stuff. So I think I'm going to put the pink down first. And then some white. And honestly, that's it. That's the plan. We're just going to do 2 layers. We're gonna flood it, and then we're gonna blow it out. I'm gonna heat it up just a little bit. Ooh, you can already see some cool cells. Now we're gonna blow it out. Hit it with the heat gun again, see if I can get that pink to show up. Some of it. All right, let's see what I can do with my breath. See if I can get some more of that pink to show. I may have put too much too much black down. I kind of flooded it too much. Not gonna lie, guys, I don't like it. Oh. I think I flooded it with too much black. So I would really like to try again. We haven't had a total scrape off in a while. All right, so I've got more black down. Pop the air bubbles. Let's try it again. More pink. The white, ooh, did anyone see that? The white like danced across. It like hit the canvas and then bounced away. It was pretty cool. I'm gonna flood it. Get any cells, and we're gonna blow it out. Well, that turned out kind of cool. It went both directions, and now we're gonna try to blow on it a little bit again. Okay, so we got a little bit. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more of this area again. Now we're gonna hit it with the heat gun. See what cells pop up. That looks so much better than the first time. I would like to try, if I just put a little bit more white, like, oh, well, there, it goes there. I would like it to go to both sides. So I added a little bit of extra white, that's why I did that. And then I wanted just a little bit more of the pink lacing on either side. I think I'm going to leave this alone. I might have some small areas to clean up with the black. If you guys choose to do Dutch pours, these are really not, I don't know. The air kind of makes them a little bit crazy, but you can do whatever you want with it. You can control it with your breath. You could take the, like your popsicle stick, or I've got like a little plastic palette knife and scrape off the stuff you don't want. You know, just a few minutes ago we scraped the whole thing off. So these pieces are totally unique, but also allow you some control, which is why I like them a lot. And I think this one is super cool for just being black, white, and pink. And I'm going to let it dry for a few days. When it's not wet anymore, or when it's totally dry, I will gloss it up and I'll show you what the final result is. She's all finished up and she's got a couple coats of gloss on her, so she looks super shiny. I'm really pleased with how this one turned out. You can see the pink and the white. It's given me some more ideas of Dutch pours with the neon colors. I think it looks super cool. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. All of my links are in the description box below for my Instagram, my Facebook page, my PayPal account. I still have some pieces available on my Facebook. Mother's Day is coming up, if anyone would be interested in purchasing one of those. And I hope you guys are all still doing well and holding on, and I'll see you all for the next video.